Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be setting up the month of August in my social media planner using the stickers from Mahanoor Studio called The Journey. I really love this because it fits the aesthetic that I like, and it's not a cruise specific theme, and I'm okay with that because it kind of embodies the summer fun that you can have when you travel. And I did already go ahead and change my cover for the month of August, because if you've seen my Plan With Me before, you know I like to change them out every month. But I did go ahead and do that off camera because I needed to make my planner bigger because I needed to add the rest of the year in, but I also needed the expander discs because it needed to be, it was getting too tiny. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I think what I want to do first is figure out what washi I want to use. And I do have this one, and I'm kind of thinking this washi will be perfect. But I do want to see if I have any blue. I do have this washi that I think matches these colors pretty well. So we're going to go with that. And I think I'm going to start by lining the bottom with some of this washi to see how we like it. Kind of thinking that this is okay. I do really kind of like that. So let's go with the top as well. Ooh, this is kind of cute. I do really enjoy this. Okay, let me do a little bit at the top up here with this one. And I think I want to go down. Yes. Oh, this is cute. Okay, yeah. This is exactly what I wanted. Cool. Alrighty. Now we're going to get into the actual like physical plans, because y'all know I really love my planner spreads and I love decorating for each month. Let me get these, and I think we're gonna start with this guy and this guy. So I'm thinking that these will be for different ideas that I might have throughout the month. Fun things like that. And I'm gonna go over here. Hold on. We're gonna do the different pods or social medias first. I kind of want to do a different color for each. So I actually really kind of like that. Okay. And I want to switch up the labels too. I feel like I'm getting into the groove of decorating my monthlies a little bit more now, because I just have that sense of how I want things to go. Okay, I think we're going to put this big sticker here, if I can peel it off correctly. I get too excited, you guys know this. Okay. And I'm gonna put it, I'm thinking right here. Yeah, I really do like it here. So, gonna set it. No. Like that, because I do want to white out the box part that's not going to be seen. Okay, y'all, this looks really cool. I am pumped. I am so excited. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I want to add some pink. Let's see, what color do I want to do? Probably one here. That's crooked. Try that again. There we go. It's a little bit better. Not too much, but a little bit. Let's do this pink one here. I'm thinking the green, because we do have that green box left, but maybe the blue. Let's do the green. No, I kind of want the blue. Yeah, that's a little bit better. All right. Let's do a box here. And the green box. Let's do this one here. Okay. And then this one, like this. Well, that's crooked. Wow, I cannot get stickers straight. It's embarrassing. Ooh, I don't know. I kind of like this. This is going by really fast too. That's interesting. Usually my spreads do not go by this fast. Let me add the bullets for this. If I can find my tweezers. I just had them too. So I think we're going to start dark. The darker color here and go down that way. I do need a box here for content ideas though. So we have a few different options. I'm gonna go with blue. Yeah, let's go with blue. All right, let's add some more deco. I think we're going to put the traveling bags. Ooh, should we put them down here? Ooh, yeah, let's put them here. I feel like that would be really awesome. Ah, look at that. That's cute. I want this airplane to go up here. Because, like, that's where airplanes go. They go in the sky, and this is the top of the spread. So I feel like it should go up here. I think it's okay that the numbers were in there. That's not a big deal. All right, then we want the Polaroids to go there. Kind of defeats the purpose of those bullets, but it'll be fine. I'll figure that out later. Alright everyone, that is it for this month in my social media planner using the Journey Decorative Kit by Mahanor Studio. If you want to save 15% off of your order, don't forget to use my code Megan15. It'll save you, once again, 15% off of your order. And she has a wide variety of stickers from, you know, Journey to beach to lots of different kinds. I really recommend you guys check her out. Check out her shop. She is just now revamping things and getting things ready. I just remembered that she is no longer known as Mahanor Studio. She's known as the Cosmic Planner. So if you guys are wanting to check out her shop and everything, I will leave all of that information in the description box so you can check out her shop. If you're interested in seeing how I've set up the rest of the months of my social media planner or the social media spreads in general, I have an entire playlist. It will be at the end of the video and linked in the description box below, along with other playlists related to different categories of planner layouts, from classic to vertical to horizontal, all that fun stuff. It'll be all in the description box, as well as crafting content, polymer clay, art journal books, and vlogs too. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you haven't already so you are notified when I post new videos. And don't forget to let me know how you liked this video down in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!